Hello everyone, this is Anika Suradkar, your very own Astrovastu consultant. How are you all doing? Hope you all are taking good care of yourself and boosting your immunity as this is the need of the hour. So please get going. Friends, we all come with a baggage. In fact, no one has escaped from it. But here we have a choice whether to hold on to it or just drop it and let go of this baggage. This baggage is full of demons, the negative emotions which we possess within, and they are resentment, anger, sorrow, guilt, revenge. And if we keep clinging on to these, they are just going to keep piling up, making our baggage heavier, making us feel suffocated, exhausted, and stressful from within. But if we just drop this baggage, what will we feel? We'll feel light, we'll feel free and peaceful from within. In Vastu Shastra, in fact, in our Vastu itself, there is a zone of disposal, a let go zone, and this is the south of southwest direction. This direction comes between the south direction and the southwest direction. This direction is ideal for a toilet. You may also place a yellow color dustbin in this direction, as both the toilet and dustbin do the same work of disposing the unwanted, the dirt, the negative. If this zone is balanced properly, forgetting things, forgiving people, and let go in life will be easy. But if it is imbalanced means if there is a cut, or if this part is missing, or if it's extended, or if there is an anti-element in this direction, disposing of the unwanted, the clutter in your life will be difficult. Make sure there are no green color plants or any kind of green color, floral patterns, brown color, blue color, shapes like wavy shapes, rectangle, oval. Avoid placing them in this direction. Now all these can be in the form of curtains, objects, wall hangings, anything. Make sure you do not sleep in this direction or keep any kind of important documents or children's toys in this direction. Those suffering from constipation, do check your south of southwest. It may be imbalanced. Friends, we always have a choice whether we want a peaceful life or a stressful life. If you keep clinging on to this baggage, what will you get in return? A stressful life. But if you just forget everything, forgive and let go, you will live a peaceful life. So here, the choice is yours. Which life would you want to have? If you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vastu with Anika. Till then, keep smiling, have a nice day and be positive. Take care, my dear friends.